Have you ever tried running Facebook ads only to discover that your card did not work, or your card is declined, or you're having payment failed problem? I know how frustrating this can be, especially when you want to run ads to make sales for your business, or you just want to reach more people to grow your page or grow your business. And you can't run ads simply because your card does not work for no just reason. But what if I told you that there is an easier method that you can use to fund your Facebook ad account without card or stress? Yes, it's a simple method where you just need to do bank transfer, maybe from your app directly to your Facebook ad account. You don't need to save your card details on the app. You don't need your ATM card to do this. No stress, and it works perfectly fine. But before I show you the step-by-step process on how to get this done in just 2 minutes, in case you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent, and on this channel, I create step-by-step, easy to understand videos on how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as social media marketing in general. So if you're interested in learning Facebook and Instagram ads, then do well to subscribe to the channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that you always be notified as soon as I publish my new valuable video every week. Have you done that now? All right, let's dive in. Open the app Meta Ads Manager. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. If you already have it, then open the app. Click on this settings icon here. If you are like me who has several ad accounts, I have about 5 ad accounts here. Just select the particular one you want to add funds to, right? In this case, I want to fund this particular ad account. So you are going to click on billing and payment that is on that ad account you want to add funds to. So I'll click on billing and payment now. You will see the balance you have here. You may have 0 Naira depending on what you have there as your balance. In my own case, I have 1,899 Naira at the time. So for you to add funds, you will click on add funds button right here. It will take you to this interface. The first thing you will see is amount to add. Take note, this 4,500 Naira here is a default amount. So whenever you come to add fund, you always see this 4,500 Naira, right? Now, you can edit it and put the amount you want to add, right? To do that, just tap on it and you'll be able to edit it, okay? So I will tap on it right now. I want to add 10,000 Naira. So I will put 10,000 Naira right here, okay? The next thing is to select a particular payment method, right? Take note, this first one here is postpaid payment method. But for those who are in Nigeria, you don't have that payment method. So leave that one. In this video, I want to show you how to pay with the bank transfer option right here. You will see that this blue tick is in this bank transfer. So if your own is not here, go ahead and tap on this bank transfer and the blue tick will enter inside this one. That means you have selected the bank transfer, okay? Down below, you will see the next button here. So click on next. So it will redirect you to your phone browser. It can be Google Chrome or your Safari browser, depending on the one you use as your default phone browser, right? Here you will see pay with bank transfer and you will see the bank account name. Facebook ad is the bank account name. The amount I am paying is 10,000 Naira. You can see right there. For you to proceed, you are going to enter your phone number here to continue. So I will enter my phone number right now. After that, click on continue. Now pay attention. This is the account name, Facebook ads. That's the account name. The amount you're paying will be here. My own case is 10,000 Naira that I will be transferring to the Facebook account, okay? The account number is this one. This is the bank account number that I'll pay to. I'll just click on this copy button to copy the bank account number, okay? Then the bank name is Paga. Paga is the bank name I'm paying to. So when you are paying, you will see all that here. So I've mentioned all the details that you need. So pay attention to it. And this is a virtual account number. The time that you're going to be using to make this transfer is not more than 30 minutes. This timer is counting. So after 30 minutes, all these bank details will no longer be valid, okay? So ensure that you make that transfer before this time elapses, okay? I will click here to copy this account number. Then I will go to my bank app and transfer 10,000 Naira to that account. Just stay with me. Just minimize like I did. Don't close the Google Chrome and don't close the Meta Ads Manager app, okay? So I'll go to my bank app right now and transfer 10,000 Naira. Now I'll finish making the transfer. You can see the debits I got up there. right? So I will minimize now and go back to the Chrome. This is it. Just wait, it's going to automatically load by itself. See now it's loading. After loading, it will take you to this page. If you read below here, they said once we have received verification from, will be added to your account. You can now return to the Ads Manager app. Okay, now if you minimize and go to open the Ads Manager, right? If you just open the Ads Manager right here, it is going to take you back to Chrome, but just close the Chrome, open the Meta Ads Manager again, right? And you see that the 10,000 Naira successfully added to my account. Depending on the amount that you add, that money is going to be added to your account, and you see your new balance there. Then you will see the done button down below here. Click on done. It will take you back here and you will see your new balance here. Remember what I had here earlier was 1,800 and something Naira, and now I have 11,896 Naira here. So 10,000 Naira has been added. So even if your new balance did not reflect here immediately, just leave it for a few minutes, come back to refresh, and you will see the new balance there to be added automatically. Okay, and that is it. There is no more card decline headaches. You can now fund your Facebook ad straight from your bank account. If you found this video helpful, then do well to like this video and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more Facebook ads tutorials.